the relationship between the two variables like x and y. Relationship can be positive and negative. We take two axes, vertical axis like here and the horizontal axis. If the relationship is moving like the line is moving upward, which can be seen by the red dots, which mean that the correlation between the two axes is positive, and that is the direct relationship between the two. If we represent the vertical axis by y and the horizontal by x, so this means that when x increase, the y also increase, and if x decrease, the y also decrease. We have to take another example, like the line is moving downward. So in this case, the relationship is negative, r is equal to -1, which means that the line is moving downward, and fx increase, y decrease, and fx decrease, y declines. So this is the association between the two variables. That means correlation can be 0 and this can be positive. Similarly, we have to take another example. If the line is moving upward and the observations are near to the line, so this means that how we can calculate by knowing the diagram that either the relationship is strong or weak. In this case, the relationship is positive, which lie between 0 and +1, and this seems that this is strong too. Another hand, we can see that if this is 0 point, we suppose 0.8 like this. If we have the same line like this, like this, and the observations are scattered from the line. This means the observations are away, moving away from the line. So in this case, the correlation is also positive, but that is comparatively weak, and we suppose this is 0.6. So you can see by the line 2 as well as by the area covered by the strong relationship 0.8, and by here you can see the weak relationship 0. Comparatively weak relationship, like this one. So in both cases the relationship is positive, but in one case the relationship is strong, like 0.8, and in the second case this is weak. Now we have to know either the relationship is exists or not. In this case, you can see that the relationship between the two variables x and y, the vertical axis and the horizontal axis, is 0, because you can see the change in the x-axis observations, but no change in y. So this means that the correlation is equal to 0, as the change in x is not bringing any change in the y. Now we have to calculate coefficient of correlation between the two variables, which values are given like x and y. So we have to make a chart, and first of all we have to take the values of x. In the second column we have to write the values of y. In the third column we have to this is like this, x, y, and the fourth column x square values to be calculated, and y square values are to be calculated. It's a really simple and very easy method. You just need to remember the formula. Put values of x which are given 1, 2, 3, 4, as well 5, 6. Well, we have to make it more charm, so that it seems easy for the student. Well, the major thing in this in this finding is to remember the formula, and that is important. Well, now we have to put the values of y which are given, that is 2, 4, 7, 9, 12 and 14. Well, we have to calculate xy. For that purpose we will multiply xy with y values. That means 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2, 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8, and similarly values of x, 3 multiply y value of y, 7 is making 21, 4 multiply 9 is making 36, yes, and this is 60 as well. 6 multiplied by 14 is equal to 84, yes, this is 8 and 4. Now we have to calculate x square values. For that purpose, we will take squaring the values of x in the first column. 1 square mean 1, 2 square mean 4, 3 square mean 9, and this is mean taking squaring of the 4 is 16, 25 and 36. Similarly, y square mean taking squaring of the second column values, which are y. So that's mean 2 square is equal to 4, 16, 49 and 81 as well. 144 and 14 square is equal to 194. Yeah. Now this is easy. We have to find the values of summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square and summation y square. Now adding the values of the first column x values, we get that should be colorful. That summation x is 1. Summation y mean adding the second column values like 2, 4, 7, 9, 12, 14 and this is equal to 90, 48. Same is adding the values of xy in the third column 2, 8, 21, 36, 60 as well 84 and that is equal to 211. Summation x square mean values of the fourth column 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 24 and plus 36 and that is equal to 91. Similarly, summation y square mean 4 plus 16 plus 49, 81, 144 as well 194 and that is equal to 490. Got it? So this means this is equal to summation x and this is equal to summation y. This is really easy, and this is equal to summation xy and summation xy. Well, this is equal to summation x square and this representing summation y square. Now we simply need the formula and to put these values in the formula, these terms in the formula of the coefficient of the correlation, and then simplifying the formula we will get the values. Correlation coefficient represented by R. We have also different notation like this, but I think we should leave it. I don't want to discuss this thing. Formula is n summation x y minus summation x summation y divided by under the root denominator and that is n summation x square minus summation x whole square. Keep remember, summation x square is not equal to summation x square. These are different values, and multiplying this term with n summation y minus summation y whole square. The same summation y square is not equal to summation y square. Now this is simple. Putting values in the formula like r is equal to n is the number of observations which are given in the question. I can't move back, and the observations which are given are 6. So that's mean n is equal to 6. Put the values of n. Put the value of summation x y which we calculated, and that is 211. 48. Now we have to put the values in the denominator, and that is n is equal to 6. Well, and summation x square is equal to 91 minus summation x whole square, mean taking squaring summation x values, and that is 21 square. As I told that these are different values. Now n is 6 and summation y value is 490. The dots here mean multiplication minus summation y whole square, and summation y is equal to 48. 48 whole square will be equal to summation y whole square is called like this. Now it is simple because we have to simplify these observations. We have to multiply 6 with 211 and then to subtract add from the second term 21 multiplied by 48 as well divided by under the root. The observation can be seen. After simplification of these observation, multiplying 6 with 211, we got the value that is 1266, and multiplying 21 with 48, the value which is calculated is 100. Add under the root, divide by under the root. 6 multiplied by 91 is 546 as well, minus 21 whole square is equal to 441, and 6 multiplied by 490 is equal to 2940 minus 48 whole square means multiply 48 with 48, and that is 2304. Good. So if we calculate these values, the answer of the simplification of this is equal to